These are the sounds taught within Phase 3. On the screen you will see the grapheme for the sound appear. For the single letter sounds, I will again say the picture that appears on the flashcard. For the digraphs and trigraphs, I will say the sound and then the sound within the rhyme. J, jellyfish. V, viper. W, wallaby. X, 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 x. Y, yacht. Z, zigzag. Qu, quill. Ch, chew the chunky chips. Sh, shabby ship shook. Th, they were thirsty. Ping pong. Oh, a pink sink. A, wait for the train. E, B, on my knee. I, light up the night. O, float on the moat. The book nook. R, a far star. Turn in the surf. Oo, scoop with a spoon. Or, order some popcorn. Ow, prowl and growl. Oi, coin in the soil. Clear that smear. Air, a pear in the lair. Sure it's the cure. A bitter winter. O, go slow in the snow.